Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to add money to Venmo account. So guys, first thing that I want to tell you that you must have a payment method first. So in order for you to add a payment method, just simply go to the me icon on the bottom right and tap on the gear icon on the top right. And from there, just simply go ahead and select payment method and just simply add your payment method. So now once it is done, just simply go ahead, go to me icon on the bottom right, and in Venmo balance, just simply tap on manage and a pop-up will show up and just simply tap on add money. And from there, you will have two options. You can either go for instant, which is $500 per week, or you can go for standard for larger amount. So just simply select one, and from there, just simply provide the amount and select next. After that, you should be able to see down below the payment method, and just simply select what you prefer and tap on add now button on the bottom. And that's simply about it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.